Hello, beautiful slot people. We have Mo here. We're in Hollywood Casino in Tunica, Mississippi, and we are on the Firecracker game, y'all. We got extra spins, double up, and ultra spin. Excuse me. Okay, I do not play this one that often. I have been in a chokehold with the one with the boost, extra boost or whatever. So let's give this one a try. We are on 5 cent denom, 440 bet. We have $100 in the tank. Let's go, y'all. Come on with it. Now I know. Okay, come on. Okay, almost. 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 Come on, line it up. Come on, red. Come on now. Come on with it, red. We all know that it's all illusions with the firecrackers. We know it can pop at any time. The green is the closest to popping, so that's the one we want. All right, we'll take it. $2.50. Come on, purple. No purple. Come on with it. Come on, purple. Got it. There we go. There we go, y'all. We got it. Come on with it. I want to make sure that y'all can see good.
Ultra bonus.
Okay. This is the one when the bird flies across. I'm all for it. I'm all for it. Come on with it. Okay, we got one position filled. We want all of them filled. The grand is 25,000, y'all. That's right. Pump it up. Pump it up. Come on with it, baby. Drop it. Drop it. And let's get a progressive, y'all. Come on. Let's drop something big. Let's drop a major and let's fill it up for the grand. Come on with it. Hey now. Let's not be stingy. Pump it up. Come on now. Last spin magic. Come on. Drop it. Drop it. Oh my goodness, y'all. All right, $27.50. It keeps us in the game though. Keeps us in the game again. The firecrackers are all illusions. It can pop at any time. $28.50. We'll take it. We'll take it. It got us up. Come on with it. Come on. We want to get them all together though. That's what we really want. At least 3 or 2 together. Come on, green. I almost wanted to pop. Come on now. Line it up, baby. Line it up. Come on, purple. Some like to pop more than others. Come on, green. All right, line it up. We'll take that $8.50. Come on, green. You my boy. Come on. Come on. It's always one that's real stubborn. Come on with it, baby. Come on. Come on, purple. Okay. I didn't know. I thought it might have wanted to do it. Okay, line them up. $3.75. Come on, red. There we go. Double up. We got it. We got it, baby. Double up. We'll take it. Come on with it. It always hesitates on this game.
Double up.
We're going to have to step back so that we can get the whole screen. There we go. Okay, we'll take it. Come on, we're going to Fill them all up. Come on, drop them, baby. Drop down below. Down below. There we go. Fill it up. Come on, fill it up, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Fill it up. Yes. That's what we like to see. Come on now. Fill it up, baby. Hold up. Don't get stingy now. Wait a minute. Don't be stingy. Come on, say rescue down at the bottom. Rescue down at the bottom. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on with it. Down below, baby. Down below. There we go. Fill it up. Come on now. Don't be stingy. Come on, fill it up. Fill it up. Did I just see the major? Oh, we'll take the $50 mini though. We'll take it. Come on down below. Come on, rescue, rescue. Down below, down below. All right. 2 is complete. I call myself zooming in. I probably don't need to do that. There we go. Come on now, top. Come on, last spin. Come on, rescue, 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 rescue. Oh, I saw another mini. But that's okay. It's a lot better than the last bonus. It's gonna keep us in the game. And we'll take it. Yes. There we go. Keep us in. Okay, 130. We'll take it. We got a coin show. We'll take it, y'all. That was a lot better than the last bonus. We'll take it. Line it up, baby. We gotta collect our coins, as Slotaholic says. Shout out to him. Come on, baby. All right. 132.75. All right. Let's keep going now. Come on, because we waiting on green. Green is ready. Green is ready to pop, y'all. They ready to pop. We're going to get a little closer so we can see. Come on with it now. Ooh, that would have been nice. A little mini on extra spins. Come on, purple. Come on, green. Green is wanting to do it, but I'm not quite sure what he's hesitating about. Maybe we need to have a sidebar conversation with green. Okay. Maybe he wants to fill up another one so that they can all pop together. I can imagine that gets lonely when they pop by themselves. Come on with it, baby. Come on, red. Come on, red. Come on, purple. All right. Come on with it, baby. Come on with it. Come on, red. Come on, purple. I would like for you to build them all up so we can get the triple, the mega feature. Come on with it. Triple pop. Come on with it. Come on, purple. Come on, green. Come on with it. All right, purple. There we go.
Ultra with double up.
Yes, we got 2 out of 3. We'll take it. There we go. Come on, baby. I'm all for it. Come on, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Fill it up, baby. All right, top, fill it up, baby. That's what I mean. Come on, bottle. Come on now. Thought my little bird was gonna come by. Okay, come on. Up top, down below. I'll take the mini. I'll take it. Come on now, top. Don't get stingy. Come on, drop it. All right. I like it when it do both. Okay. Come on with it, baby. Come on, top. Save it. Save it. Rescue. Dag on it. That's okay. All right. Up the mini. Okay, made that one $30 because we're on 5 cents a numb. I like it. Come on. Drop it, baby. Drop it. Okay, last spin magic. Come on, drop it. There we go. Keep us in the game. Come on, baby. Keep us in the game. Come on with it. Come on, baby. Keep us in. Keep us in. Fill us up. I'll take it. Come on, last spin magic. Keep us in the game. That's all right. All right, y'all. All right, we'll take it. That was even better than last time. Giving us more fuel, keeping us in the game, keeping us in the game. We love it. We love it, y'all. Keeping us in the game. Come on, count up those coins, baby. We love it. All right, 185. That was good, y'all. That was really good. Dang on good. All right, we're up to 260. Come on, green. I know you're ready. I know you're ready, green. You're ready to pop. Come on, green. I know you're ready, green. Come on, you my girl. Come on with it. Come on with it, baby. All right, I thought it was coming. I thought it was coming. Come on with it. Come on, purple. Come on, green. I don't know what's up with green. I think green is just waiting on a friend. All right, y'all. Okay. We have doubled our 100. We're going to move on to another game, y'all. I'll be back when we find a new game.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.